Hindi raw kailangan maging mayaman o nasa mataas na posisyon para magdulot ng mabuting pagbabago sa inyong komunidad. Ayon sa librong isinulat ng isang Filipino-Canadian sa Alberta. Ang aral sa librong Provocateurs Not Philanthropists sa report ni Teresa Redula.
You don't really have to be in positions of power or authority or influence or money or status to be able to lead. Everyday people can become everyday leaders.
Posible raw magdulot ng makabuluhang pagbabago anuman ang inyong trabaho kung mayroong mabuting intensyon. Ayon kay Global Impact Advisor Maiden Manzanal Frank, na siya ring may akda ng librong Provocateurs Not Philanthropists.
In my book, Provocateurs, I put out 5 P's. So if you have the passion, the purpose, the provision, the right practice, and the right paradigm, you can really create change no matter where you are in the world, no matter your status, your occupation, your educational background, or even your social, your social wealth. It doesn't matter. If you really have the intention and the motivation, you can make a difference.
Ang libro ni Manzanal Frank umani ng mga papuri mula sa mga best-selling author, company executives, maging mga bumili nito online nag-iwan din ng 5-star reviews. Aniya, hindi kailangang maging high-ranking officials, tulad ng pagiging politiko para maging leader.
When I talk about provocateurs as everyday leaders, these are farmers, accountants, educators, instructors, government employees. They're not like, people in limelight or people who are famous. These are just people like you and me who have the skill set, the expertise.
Nasa isang dekada na ang karanasan ni Manzanal Frank sa international aid and development sector sa Pilipinas. At nakatrabaho ang mga non-profit organizations. Nakalikom din siya ng international experience sa 15 bansa sa ilalim ng fair trade industry, bago nagdesisyong magsimulang muli sa Canada noong 2010. Hindi na rin bago si Manzanal Frank sa pagiging keynote speaker sa iba't ibang events sa loob at labas ng bansa. Ang libro isinulat noong pandemya.
I thought that this is something that I can share with the rest of the Filipino community and Canadians as to how we can build impact on the ground with communities that we serve.
Dagdag ng author, may kapupulutang aral din ang Filipino community rito, lalo na sa mga kababayang malayo sa Pilipinas.
So maybe you can also relate to this, that people coming, people from the Philippines asking you for money, for this, for that, to build schools, clinics, medicines, whatnot, for disaster rehabilitation, or people who just lost their homes, etc. So we get asked all the time, and out of the abundance of our heart, we just give, without actually fundamentally asking, like, is this really going to the right people? Is this the right method of achieving those outcomes?
Diin ni Manzanal Frank, mahalaga ang tamang mindset.
It's really your influence, your values, your system of care. If you have all of that, I think you're in the best position to lead. It's just a matter of perspective.
Mabibili ang librong Provocateurs Not Philanthropists sa Barnes & Noble, Amazon at iba pa. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.